We are going to discuss about the origin of the energy gap. From where the energy gap has come. So we know that the standing waves, which we can exhibit as psi plus and psi minus, what they do? The standing wave psi plus and psi minus, they piles up the electrons in different regions. What they do? They just collect the electrons in different regions, and therefore the two waves have different values of potential energy, and this is the reason why energy gap exists. Actually, what happens, the probability density of the particle, we know that the probability density is given by psi star psi, which is equals to mod psi square. So for a traveling plane wave, we express traveling plane wave as exponential of ikx. Okay, this is for traveling plane wave, and for this we have rho is equals to e raised to ikx and e raised to minus ikx, and this should be equals to 1, so that the charge density is constant. And the charge density but whenever we consider a combination of waves, then the charge density is not constant there. If we consider standing wave psi plus, for that the charge density rho plus is equals to mod psi plus whole square, which will be proportional to cos square pi x upon a, because of the value of psi plus. And this function will collect the electrons on positive ions. What it will do? It will collect electrons on positive ions. Which are centered at x is equals to any value, maybe 0 or a, any value, where potential energy is lowest. Okay, the potential energy should be lowest. If we consider the variation of potential energy, so this in y-axis, if we consider potential energy and conduction electrons potential energy in the field of positive ion cores, like this we can draw it like this. If we are considering the distance between 2 points in this way, okay, so this is the variation of potential energy in the field of positive ion cores. The ion cores bears positive charge because the atoms are ionized in the metal. We know that the atoms are ionized in the metal. With how they are ionized? When valence electrons, we take off the valence electrons, they get ionized. The potential energy of electron in the field of positive ions is negative, so the force between them is attractive. This is ion core. Okay.